what are you doing, man? There's nothing in there. See? No agua. Agua is agua. Wait, you can't put your head in there. Oh my gosh, you can't. Oh, Oreo! You eat your head stuff, man. Oreo. Oreo. Oreo! Stop it. See? Apparently he thinks he can. Oreo! What are you doing? Good guy. Hey. This is a pet supposed to go up there. It's supposed to be like that. Oreo cookie. Oreo cookie. Is that it? Yeah. See? There's a straw here too. You just took that straw. Try to make the straw now. You like, yeah, no.